guys, welcome to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're gonna do another recipe out of Chrissy Teigen's Cravings. We're gonna do her pineapple short ribs. So all the ingredients you see here are already pre-measured. So for the exact measurements, just look at the description. So we're gonna start with the marinade. I have some soy sauce here, some dark brown sugar, some black pepper, some kosher salt, some freshly grated garlic, or you can just mince it, whichever one you prefer, some mirin, some pineapple juice. In her recipe, she has you using minced pineapples, but I find that all the pineapple's particles doesn't help the meat caramelize well. She also has grated ginger and grated onion also, but I'm gonna put those in whole. I'm gonna cut the onions in slices. So that way you get the onion flavor and not all the mush. So just cutting it like this. And then just straight into the marinade. And then for the ginger, I'm gonna do about 4 slices of ginger. So I like, ooh, almost got myself. Be careful. So I'm just gonna cut it like this. And then I'm gonna bruise it by smashing it. That way you get the essence of the ginger, and like I said, not the mush. Awesome. So that goes in there. Then we have a little bit of sriracha. And some sesame oil. And once you get all of that in there, we're going to whisk all the ingredients and combine it. So you just whisk, keep whisking until all the ingredients, or all the dry ingredients, are combined. Once it looks like it's combined, we'll set it aside so that way we can get our little Ziploc bag. And I love marinating things in Ziploc bags, easy to clean up, and then it's just nice to just have it all sit in it where it all soaks up the marinade. So here I have some Kalbi short ribs. I'm just gonna place in there. Kind of spread it out so that way it gets evenly coated later. So I have about 2 pounds here, or 2.5 pounds, sorry. So all that into the bag, and then in goes the marinade. All right, now we're just gonna massage it. Give it lots of love. And then make sure it's all coated. Get all the air out of the bag. Seal it, and we let it marinate for 4 hours to 12 hours. I recommend 4 hours, maybe 6 at the most, just because they're kind of thin Kalbis, and then we can go grill them. All right guys, so let's grill these short ribs. What I did was I laid them out on a sheet pan, and I actually layered paper towels in between them to kind of take away the excess liquids, so that way it wouldn't be soggy, and that way we can get a nice caramelization on the meat. Once again, we're gonna have the grill nice and hot, and then we're gonna put the meat on. Right away you can smell the garlic. And the onions. And then I'm gonna close it so I can get a nice char. I'm actually gonna grill the pineapples with them. So we're just gonna cook them with the lid off now. Now we're gonna add our pineapples to the grill. I don't know about you guys, but I love grilled pineapple. I love Kalbi short ribs because I love that fattiness around the bone and that chewiness. That's my favorite part of it. I don't even care about the meat really. I sit there and I chew the bone. Now that they're ready, I'm gonna start plating them. Smells so awesome. I'm so excited. Awesome. And we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of green onion garnish. And there you have it. Pineapple grilled short ribs.